This video will demonstrate how to factory reset the Yealink base station from the Yealink handset. Press the OK button and then navigate to the Settings cog and select. Once in the Settings screen, navigate to System Settings, which is normally Option 8, and use the OK button again to select. Scroll down to Base Reset, and again, press the OK button. You will be asked for a PIN, which will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Then, press the button to select Done. You will be asked to reset to factory. Press OK and then Yes. You will see a success screen and the power light on the Yealink base station will flash. By pressing the red End Call button, you will be taken back to the home screen on the handset and the reset will be complete.